Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is Mat1 Answer10. Okay, so the first question is what is diamond problem in C++? Okay, so let me show you. So let's say there is a class A and then there is a class B that inherits from class A, and then there is a class C that also inherits from class A. So there is a method named print, public method that class A contains. So when the class and that method is getting overridden in the class B and also in class C. Okay, now there is a class D that inherits from class C and B both. Okay, so now if we try to overload the no, sorry, now if we try to override the print method, then like the compiler would be like confused, like should it override the method from class B or should it override the method from class C, because they both of those classes contain print method, right? Then which method would it override? Or like even if I call the even if I try to call the print method from the object of class D, then even it would be confused. Like let's say it doesn't contain like the print method, so let's say class D doesn't override it, but it does inherit, right? So if I try to call the method of class D, like print method from the class object of class D, then the compiler would be confused. Should it call from the class, should it call the method from class B or should it call the method from class C, because it inherits from both of those classes. So this is the problem that is known as a diamond problem. Okay. The another question would be explain the output of the program and explain why. So the uh, answer is the output would be an error because like because here okay, yes. Inside the calculator class we are trying to call a destructor with parameter. So and there is also like this destructor with parameter inside add class also. So there this would be the like there the output would be an error that a destructor cannot be overloaded or destructor cannot contain any parameters. Okay, so but if we really want to see the output of this class, uh, then what we need to do is we need to remove this method, the destructor of add class with the parameter, and we need to remove the destructor of calculator class with the parameter. So we need to remove these two classes from our program, and we will see the output. So at that time the output will be okay, uh, yes, the constructor custom constructor of a calculator class, then the custom constructor of add class, then there would be a destructor of add class, and then there would be a destructor of calculator class. So this would be the output if we remove the these methods, like the destructor that has from the both classes that has that takes parameter. Okay, because destructor cannot be overloaded, uh, and here the specifically uh, uh, the parameterized constructor would be called because like in here we are passing we are calling the parameterized constructor, but in add class we are also specifying, okay, call the calculators parameterized constructor by calling this constructor. So like that is why the calculator classes uh, constructor of like the custom constructor would be called, but the actual output of the program would be error, because as I said, we are trying to overload the destructor, and it is not allowed. Destructor cannot contain any parameter. Thank you.